Good morning, IB students. Here, just see the video lecture. The video lecture is related with Boolean indexing. Boolean means what? Boolean means either true or false. These two different values are there in the Boolean data type. Here, true is represented as 1, false is represented as 0. Right? So here, this video lecture, we are going to discuss about can we provide Boolean indexing to the data frame, yes or no. Just see here one data frame is created, and in this data frame just see the index part. Here these are the indexes, or we can say row indexes, whereas days and columns are the name of the column, or we can say column indexes, right? So here in this data frame I just used true, false, true, true, false, true and false like the index name with this data frame. So very first, is it applicable in Python? Yes, it is applicable. You can provide Boolean indexing to your data frame, right? The second question is, why we use these type of indexing in the data frame? Here just see, in some cases you have to divide your data frame into two different aspects. Some portions are true, some portions are false. Suppose here I have taken the example of your online classes only, right? On Monday there are 6 online classes for your class. On Tuesday there is no online class. Wednesday 2 classes are there. Thursday 1 class is there, and then the Friday there is no online class for you. Right, so here we can divide this data frame into two different parts. The first part where you are having your online class, these parts, these rows are under the category of true. Right, on some days you are not having the online class, so wahan pe we can use false there. Right, so very first, how we can provide this Boolean indexing? What is the program of Python by which we can add the Boolean index to our data frame? Just see, if you want to create the same data frame, here 2 columns are there. Days contain these different 5 different days, then classes. So here, if you want to create the same data frame, just see the coding part. Import pandas SPD. Data equal to, here it is a dictionary object, right? In this dictionary the first key is days, and then the values of these days key, it is there in the list format: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so that the same values are there shifted in the days column, right? The second key of the dictionary is classes, and in this classes column, in this classes key, a list is attached with 60210. So 60210. By this particular data type, by this data object, we can create the data frame by using the command pd.dataFrame. Here, data means what? This one. And then just see the indexing. This is the important thing. Index. Right? When you are going to create the data frame by using dictionary, the keys of the dictionary, days and classes are treated as column headings. Just see, it is a column heading. But if you want to give index, name of the index, or if you want to give your computerized index, so that we use this index attribute of our data frame function. Right? Just see what is there in the index attribute. True, false, true, true, false. So true, false, true, true, false. When you supply the command, the same data frame will be generated in your Python. Clear? Here it is the coding to generate this data frame. Now the thing is, what is the importance to give this Boolean index? Right? Just see, if you want to know कि भाई कौन-कौन सी दिन हमारी ऑनलाइन क्लास है, केवल वही डे अपीयर हो, जिस दिन हमारी क्लास नहीं है वो डे अपीयर ही ना हो इस डेटा फ्रेम से, वो डाटा ही अपीयर ना हो. फॉर दैट जस्ट सी व्हाट इज द कमांड df.loc true. Here the important thing is, if you are going to supply Boolean values, क्या किया है देखो इंडेक्स में, there is no inverted comma surrounding with these value. Very first thing, by true, we just provide the string value in this inverted comma, na? So here if you provide the Boolean index, there is no inverted comma in that one, no inverted comma, and then T and F should be in capital letters. This is the proper Boolean value, right? So if you supply df.loc true, computer will show only true index records on the monitor. Just say Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, those records are there, they are having true index, right? And if you just supply df.loc false, तो आपके सामने वो रिकॉर्ड आएंगे जिनका इंडेक्स फॉल्स है. Right? It is a very small topic and the topic is related with MCQ only. So हो सकता है MCQ से related कोई question इस topic से है. But for that we have to cover this topic. So just understand the topic. Now instead of giving true and false, you can supply 1 and 0 also. 1 is true, 0 is false. So if you want to supply 1 and 0, तो कहाँ change करना पड़ेगा? Just see the index. Here I use true false. I just going to remove that index part, and here in this index मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? 1 for true, comma 0 for false, then 1 for true, and then 0 it is false. So I just use the index like this one. Now what will happen when I supply the index as 0101? Then computer will just remove this true false from here, and what will be there? The first one, it is 1, second record 0, then 1, then 1, then 0. It is also under the category of Boolean indexing, right? If the index position, if the index names are in 0 and 1, then also these names are treated as Boolean indexing, right? Now what we are going to make change in these two commands? भाई ट्रू फॉल्स था, जब तो df.loc ट्रू लिख दिया तो ट्रू वाले रिजल्ट आ गए. इफ आई राइट df.loc फॉल्स, देन कंप्यूटर विल जनरेट द फॉल्स रिजल्ट. नाउ अब इस डेटा फ्रेम में क्या कमांड होगी? फॉर दैट जस्ट से डेटा फ्रेम नेम df.loc and here if I supply 1, simple. 1 means the same result will be there Monday, Wednesday, Thursday 6 to 1. हाँ, इधर true की जगह पे 1 1 1 लिखा हुआ आ जाएगा on that particular data frame. Right? If I want to know what is the records that are related with false value, I just supply df.loc 0. तो क्या रिजल्ट आएगा अभी मेरे सामने? Just check कर लेते हैं days, and here classes are there in the days column. True Tuesday, Friday classes 0 0, and just see what is the index name. df.loc 0. Computer will filter those records from the data frame where the index position, index name is 0, right? So it is a very small concept. The concept is related with Boolean indexing. I hope you understand the concept. Thank you very much.